esto aquí.
Let me see it.
Es caliente.
¿Está caliente? Is the grinding marks the right way?
Yeah.
What's up, big dog? Talk to me, homie.
Oh, my bad. You want to see it?
What? Let's talk. Oh, you want to put it? I'm on live right now, though. You want to go there?
I mean, hey, it's
you wanna
about
go
learning.
there? About learning. It's about learning, dog. That's what I'm talking about, dog. Exactly right. Discuss to the people.
Clean all this up and then what?
Yeah, you know, you gotta wire. No, fuck no. You gotta feel that. You gotta feel a lot more. You gotta feel here. All this has to be all the way flush, completely up. That bottom is okay. You know, you always want the bottom is always good to have it a little bit lower so you have that guideline and it can hold the first beat of the cap. But the top up here for sure, you gotta make sure that thing is flush.
So should I come back and run another top?
Run about 2 more up in there. Don't try to go with one because you're gonna try to go too wide, carry a large ass puddle like that. It's gonna want to hang out. You know, then you're gonna run into that big belly in the middle. You don't want that. You don't want to have that. Running like you running that one, I would run like 2 more to fill it. Don't get impatient. You know what I'm saying? Because that'll fuck you up. You know, take your time on it. Make sure it's filled correctly to make sure you get a good cap. But it look good though, man. That's probably what second week? You're not even. We're not even through. Barely Tuesday. Oh, what we on Monday? Tuesday. So not even a week and a day. A week and 2 days. Yo la carnal. Ahí va la calabaza. Ahí va, güey.